visual effects in your Google Meet. This is funny, this is nice to do, but I will show you exactly how to do this. Alright, first of all, make sure that you enable your webcam, so that your webcam is showing up just right here. You can see here my webcam. And now if we click here on the three dots and we go to apply visual effects, you can apply a lot of visual effects if you want to. Now let's say we want to apply this. This is a professional, then you will see it just right here. But normally when we are sitting just in our camera, you can do this behind. So blur background, now then maybe this one, this one. If I'm just putting my camera to somewhere like this, let's say right here, we can blur it, we can do filters. You can add a lot of things that you like to do. You can also do framing. You can do it in a night style, daylight. You can also adjust video lighting. But there are so many options that you can choose. And normally when you are sitting here in the front, you can use this as a background. So this is exactly how you can add visuals to your Google Meet. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.